Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to send personalized, handwritten letters to your clients, customers, or loved ones without having to lift a pen. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the iAuto Plus Automatic Handwriting Machine, this is now a reality. This machine is a game changer for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their bulk mail, invitations, or marketing campaigns. Let's talk about one of the key features that sets the iAuto Plus apart, its high-capacity autofeeder for bulk writing. This machine can write up to 210 letters or 80 envelopes per load, which is a huge time saver for businesses or individuals who need to send out large volumes of mail. Just imagine being able to send personalized, handwritten letters to all your customers or clients without having to spend hours writing them out by hand. The iAuto Plus makes it possible, and it's perfect for bulk handwritten mail, invitations, and marketing campaigns. Whether you're a real estate agent, a fundraiser, or a business owner, this machine can help you save time and effort while still providing a personal touch. Another feature that really stands out is the iAuto Plus's ability to create real pen handwriting for authentic results. Unlike printers, which can often produce letters that look, well, printed, the iAuto Plus uses real pens to create genuine handwritten letters and signatures. This gives every message a natural, personal touch that can really improve engagement and response rates. Think about it, when was the last time you received a handwritten letter in the mail? It's a rare occurrence, and it's something that can really make a person feel special. With the iAuto Plus, you can create that same feeling for your customers, clients, or loved ones, and it's a great way to build relationships and establish trust. The iAuto Plus is also perfect for direct mail marketing. Designed for businesses that rely on personalized outreach, this machine is a powerful bulk letter writing machine for real estate marketing, fundraising campaigns, customer thank you notes, and direct mail promotions. And with its ability to import recipient data directly from Excel and automatically generate personalized messages, addresses, or signatures, it's an efficient automatic handwriting machine for personalized mass mailing. Whether you're looking to send out personalized letters, invitations, or greeting cards, the iAuto Plus makes it easy. But what really puts the iAuto Plus over the top is its versatility. This machine supports a wide range of writing materials, including letters, envelopes, greeting cards, invitations, and even thick paper over 300G. This makes it suitable for professional marketing and event use, and it's a great way to add a personal touch to your communications. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who loves to send handwritten notes, the iAuto Plus is an incredible tool that can help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, the iAuto Plus Automatic Handwriting Machine is an incredible piece of technology that can help you save time, build relationships, and establish trust with your customers, clients, or loved ones. With its high-capacity autofeeder, real pen handwriting, and support for a wide range of writing materials, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their bulk mail, invitations, or marketing campaigns. So if you're looking for a way to take your communications to the next level, be sure to check out the iAuto Plus. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one of these amazing machines. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.